were all the cases unidentified. And now D are the case non-identified with an investigation.
Yes. So as you can see, there is not a lot of investigation on something that is not identified.
So A, B, C, D. A is you know what happened. For example, you see a light in the sky and it was a firework or something like that.
It's 24%. It's a lot.
B is we probably know. For example, every pulse show it's a plane, but it's probably a military plane because it's secret where they fly.
No.
C is C is we don't know. We don't have enough data.
More touchy case. We don't know. Maybe it's identified. Maybe it's not. There is we don't have enough data, but we believe in. So we have teams here and here. Okay, you know.
Yes.
But that's my favorite one actually.
C is
okay.
C is, for example, an example of C is, for example, we don't remember the date. You see, I saw a light, but I don't know when, and I don't know which direction. That's a C. And the D is, I know the date, the direction, many things, but we cannot find it. But many cases go from D to A, in fact. It's quite common.
So you know, as we can understand, it's not
one day we find the answer, and bam, from D to A.
It's not a hard science, but we believe in people. Okay.
No, but there is a way to interrogate people.
I know, I believe in them. So. It's okay. Huh?
That's why you don't know.
So, UFO, of course, UFO.
UFO, unidentified flying object.
2000. As you can see, I know by that time. It's a lot of UFO, we know. Thanks to the Japan, the greatest team in France. Okay, our next slide.
It's only in France, of course, because Japan is specific to France. We have the luck to have a public investigation, and we are almost the only country who has public investigators and not only private groups who say, oh, it was aliens, even if it's
and that means something. Okay, it means something. It's not just words or just data. It means something. It's real. Okay, next slide.
Alors,
faut qu'il passe à la suite.
Très bien.
Non, mais là, je suis sûr qu'on peut le trouver, dire vous avez vu, c'est un avion.
Ah,
We are 22 strange disks of fire beyond the atmosphere. Yes, of course. Because that's a meteorite. Yes.
We don't know who launched it.
Maybe the Martian.
Maybe.
Alien.
I would say Martian.
I've played Pokemon enough to know Melopé and the Pokemon exist.
Pokemon. Okay, so next slide, huh?
Of course. Wow. Alien. I don't know what it is, so it's alien. Okay?
Yeah, that's true. It was so long ago that we found this. This was created a long time ago, but they already had helicopter.
Of course.
Okay. So it's not a proof that Martian came in helicopters.
It's inspired a music group 1,000 years later, because you see it's yellow and it goes under the sea. It's a yellow submarine.
I don't know if you already saw that kind of insect, but it's quite rare. Actually, we don't have any more of this. That's the only proof.
No, we don't have butterflies anymore.
No, it's not butterflies because there is long antenna like this. It can only be, from my point of view,
you don't know what it is.
Alien.
It's alien.
That's the kind of stuff that drive this submarine. When they came, they were driving this, they get out and they say, hello, Egyptian.
No, they predicted many things, you know.
Can you write something for us?
They predicted in 2023 a few rich people would go under a submarine to visit Titanic.
Next slide. It's okay. Allez, let's go. Aliens to the age. Of course. Wow.
Non, même pas.
Quand est-ce que ça
si.
Il peut pas.
Attends. don't know how it was built. It's alien.
We don't know how we.
We don't know if it was built with by people. It's easy to build, in fact.
No, that's not easy. That only
It is,
can
of
be
course.
done with alien because it's very large, like this. It's very large, very heavy. It's very old, so
No, we don't have the scale.
yeah, we don't have the scale, but
We don't know if it's large.
that's a hill. You know, there is clouds.
The
So
Moai.
you know, it's quite
Wow.
big actually.
And you know, this guy was wearing a helmet. It's alien.
No, it's not that.
How many aliens wear helmets?
So we wear helmets to protect us from aliens.
Ah,
That's the stuff because they can communicate with you with.
oui. It's a
The
Faraday.
put a helmet made of aluminium.
It's a Faraday.
And then you're
it's a
right.
Faraday.
We all know the conference of. Elon Musk, thank you. Next slide.
Wow.
I need come to control. Allez, frère Bogdanov, the most known alien after Elon Musk now.
I didn't really like COVID, but I have to admit it gets us rid of the Bogdanov. Is it 100% bad?
So, I don't know what can I say about this, but if you look at the shape of the head, that means a lot of intelligence, and that means the aliens came to control the Earth at this period, which I cannot say when it was, because
Do you see the link between alien and this?
yes, I can see it, because previously we saw the submarine and the helicopter and everything. It was made by this guy. So this was the first guy to meet aliens actually in Egypt. We all know this. A long time ago, I don't have the dates for it. But this was the first guy. So with the Bogdanov brother, of course. Next slide. I'm not studying.
I'm not saying it's alien, but it's alien. Of course, next slide was last slide you proved.
Yes, well, we knew that.
Questions about
So yeah, if you have questions, because our presentation was quite clear. If you're